सबके जो सूत्रधारी है हमारे सुबोध जी। हम तो सिर्फ नाम के वो चेयरपर्सन है, पूरा काम सुबोध जी करते हैं और इनका इतना विशाल दृष्टिकोण और कर्तव्य निष्ठा ये सफलता के मार्ग पर IYA को लेके जा रहे हैं। The very success of IYA is, I know some of you cannot understand Hindi, I'll say a little bit in English also. It's the unceasing effort of Subodh ji. I mean, he sits, stands, walks, runs, everything with the breath with IYA. So we are really blessed to have Subodh ji to be the Secretary General and take it all forward. And he has this skill to reach out to everybody, whether it's bureaucrats or it is the saint community or the common people, research scholars, everybody, and bringing things. And I'm very happy to know that so all of you have put so much effort and brought this IYA to where we are today. It's very good. I'm so happy about it.